And can't wait till next time. I will see y'all soon. I'm gonna end this song on one that I wrote straight from the soul, man. This one is 27. Again, thank you, Kaaboo, so much. Got some nice blood going on right here. Nice little blood work. Feel this. And if I must go and die at 27, then at least I know I died a legend. Now, will you roll and ride like we're together? And keep the vibe alive inside forever, and feel me forever. Say I need to slow down, hey, but I don't know how. Let me talk to this camera right here. These are real feelings from past dealings where people counted me out till I grew up to count millions on. Like I guess it's good to be different, huh? Well, I'm a star, so the sky isn't the limit, huh? And I'm living like it's my last day. Smoke as if there's not already 27 roaches in the ashtray. Smile as if no one hated it all. As if anyone understood any time I evolve. You tell me, what would you do if what you dream came true? Buy a Bentley and look just like you? How I'm supposed to write a song when I'm famous and all this pain is created? I guess I'll overdose on inspiration at 27. I'm just speaking from my heart, so forgive me if I don't know where to start, y'all. Why don't you just go home? Tell them, 'cause I can't right now, I'm a rolling stone. Yeah! And fly away and kiss my baby girl goodnight. Kaaboo, now, if this really is goodbye, fuck it. Let's set the city on fire. Hands up and tell me, can you take me higher? Come on, yeah. Can you take me higher? You feel that? That's freedom now. Can you take me higher? Now can you take me higher? And if I must go and die at 27, and at least I know I died a legend. Will you roll and ride like we're together, and keep the vibe alive forever, keep the vibe alive forever. And if I must go and die at 27, then at least I know I died a legend. Will you roll and ride like we're together, and keep the vibe alive forever, keep the vibe alive forever. Let these words seep from my soul and speak through this song. Because if one day I'm no longer here in the physical, then at least I give you my voice to listen to. What is a beautiful life without a beautiful death? What is a beautiful mind? How is our beauty defined? Is it for you to decide? Is it my duty to die? No matter how I'm remembered, just let me be remembered. It's Cal. Kaaboo, I love y'all. Thank you so much. Give it up one time for this amazing band. AJ on lead guitar, DJ Ace, my brother Rook on the drums, Bass on the bass and keys, Slim on the keys and vocals. San Diego, I am the young gunner. Until next time, my friends, keep the vibe alive forever, baby.